So now I'm going to make the program for the Fibonacci series using the Python. Okay, so to make the program for the Fibonacci series, let's understand the concept behind the Fibonacci. So in Fibonacci series, what's happening? Start from the 0 and 1. The first term is the 0 and the second term is the 1. Now third term is the addition of the first two terms, means 0 plus 1 as the 1. Now the next term is the 1 plus 1 is the 2. Now next term the 2 plus 1 is the 3. Now next is the 3 plus 2 as the 5. So next 5 plus 3 8. Next 8 plus 5 13. Next 13 plus 8 so is a 21, and 21 plus 13 is the 34, and so on, and it's going on so on. So this is the concept behind the Fibonacci series. Now I'm going to make the program for this series using the Python. So let's start. Here I take the and integer method. To number is the integer, and the input method to take the input from the user. Now we move ahead. Here we define two terms, A and B, or whatever you want to take, 1 and 1. Now print 0 as the first term, A is the second term, and B is the second term, and equals to space. Now we use the for loop to generate the Fibonacci series. Here I use the for loop to generate the Fibonacci numbers, and I take the range from n minus 3 because we already printed three numbers here, 0, 1 and 1. So I take the range from n minus 3. So now I have take another variable c equals to addition of a plus b. Now b equals to a, b equals to a, and a equals to c. Now we print C and end for the space. Okay, so this is done, and now I'm going to run this program. And the number of terms, so here I entered the 15 terms. So it generated the Fibonacci number of the 15 in a 15 terms. Okay, so it's done. If you can enter here 100, then it generates the 100 terms Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so that's done.